Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Hey y'all, hope y'all are doing well. So for today's video, I am going on a trip with my boyfriend. We're just doing like a weekend trip to Panama City Beach just to get away. I probably haven't went on a trip since 2023. My last trip was in Chicago. It's been a long time, baby. It's 2025. So I am going to be planning my outfits, packing my makeup. I'm looking at my phone, by the way, and just showing you guys what I'm bringing. I'm probably gonna try things on. We're just gonna see. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually gonna start like in reverse. I'm gonna do makeup, toiletries first, and then I'm gonna do outfits last. I kind of have like a vision of what I'm gonna wear on the trip. So, and it's so funny because these are things that I bought from Fashion Nova that I just never worn because they were like vacation summer clothes, and I haven't been on a vacation in like 2 years, like I just said. But anyway, so let's get started. We are doing makeup first. I'm not the type of person that wears like a lot of makeup, but we're just gonna do what we can here. I am bringing this from my makeup bag. I actually have to clean it. It is really dirty. We have this is my lash glue. I am bringing lash clusters. If you're not hip to lash clusters by now, I don't know, but you need to get hip. My Vanity. My Gucci press powder is coming. Clip from my hair. I hope y'all can see me. Mascara, black liner, another black liner. This is the Revlon Lippy. It's a pink. It's so cute. If you want to get out of the nudes, get you this. This is cinnamon. Y'all can't even see the color for real, but it's like a nude. I use this on my eyebrows. It's just an edge control. Lash tweezers. This is if I choose to do a full face. I'm just taking it just in case. I have Tarte concealer, Maybelline concealer. I mixed them together. Giorgio Armani and Royal. Go to the cage now. Beautiful Skin. Shout out to Berry. I mix those because it creates like my perfect color. So Laura Mercier. Am I thinking this shit right? Like translucent powder. What am I talking about? Primer, elf primer, bronze. This shit breaks me out. Edge brush, blush, lash brush, and then let's go into brushes real quick. So makeup is like this. I told you guys I don't do a lot of makeup, so it's very minimum. I actually have to go pick me up a bronzer from Walmart. I think I'm gonna get like an elf bronzer. I don't want anything expensive. Girl, I usually just wear my natural face, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, so makeup is mainly done. Before I go, I'm gonna check everything because I'm pretty sure I might be missing something. I'm always missing like one thing. Oh, and I also have to go to the beauty supply store and pick up a clear gloss tomorrow, so have to do that. Okay, so I'm out of breath because I literally just ran downstairs to get this suitcase. Child, I'm tired. Anyway, this is the duffel bag that this was Costco. Y'all, isn't it so freaking cute? Like, it's furry. I love my man. Like, I love my man. He gives me everything I want. It's so cute. This is a suitcase that I'm bringing. It's like a champagne, rosy pink type of situation. Yeah. They're actually both carry-ons. And I actually have a suitcase that can carry like literally everything. So I don't know why I'm bringing this as well. But I mean, maybe I'm not bringing the big suitcase because it's only like a 2-day trip. I'm gonna be back in 2 days, so why? Anyway, let's go ahead and get into toiletries and what I'm bringing. Y'all, I was gonna pack like my soap and everything. Babe, I don't leave until Thursday. Well, really, I don't leave to go. I'm going to his house tomorrow night, but like I still gotta clean. Like I gotta shower tonight and everything. Like why the fuck? So I'm just gonna pack my toiletries and my bathroom products tomorrow. We're gonna pack clothes. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see. If it gets any darker, I'm just gonna put my little ring light on. But this is the set I got from Fashion Nova. This is one of the outfits. The shorts were kind of big on me, so I had to fold them, and I just have a regular white top. I just like how it's just so flowy. I am either going to do white sandals with this or maybe some clear heels. It just really depends on where I'm going. But this is her with the curly hair. I think it's giving very much vacation, very much getaway. Yeah, I put this on inside out and I'm honestly too lazy to even flip it, but you get the idea. This is a red cover up and I have on black two-piece bathing suit. Really cute, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I'm what it looks like correctly when I'm on the trip. So I have these cheetah shoes with like the red stripe. I thought that was really cute to go with this. So this is for like after the beach, if we're just like hungry, you know, put on this and let's go. Or like I said, I'm bringing black sandals as well, so we'll see. I just want to look cute the whole time. I definitely am going to the beach, so little cover up, and I'm gonna show you guys, like I said, how it looks. I don't know why I just decided to put it on. I guess I'm just tired. I've had a long day. Okay, but this is outfit number 2. I have 2 other bathing suits, including this one. So I have this white full body bathing suit, and then I have this like pink one. It's actually really cute on if I wear this one, this hot pink one. I'm gonna show you guys, but this one's really cute. So I'm bringing 3 bathing suits in total. This is probably my last outfit. The rest of my outfits are gonna be like oopsie outfits. So like, you know how like you have like your main outfits and then you have the outfits to wear like if something goes wrong, or not if something goes wrong, but like backup outfits. Yeah, let's say that. So this I got off TikTok Shop, and I am pairing it with tan sandals and a tan bag because for some reason I don't have white sandals, and if I do, I don't know where they're at. That's an issue. But I thought this is like really cute, and it's just, I'm bloated. I just ate, y'all, but you know, this is cute. And with the bracelets, accessories, I also got to pack my accessories. But yeah, so we have our 3 outfits since we're gonna be gone for 3 days anyway. And which one do y'all think was the cutest? Y'all gotta make sure y'all ask me on, y'all gotta make sure y'all tell me on the vlog when I'm actually like really put together and not wearing my computer glasses. But so this is more than likely the last outfit, and yeah, so cute. So I have my 3 main outfits for my 3-day trip. Okay guys, so this is one of the outfits where I'm kind of like, this is gonna be like a iffy outfit, like if I don't feel like wearing a dress or something. Guys, I'm sorry, tell me what you guys think, right? So I have on a black little tank top or whatever, and then I have these low-waisted pants. I wanted a pop of color. I didn't want to do black on black, black jean black. I just feel like that's always being done. So I did a pop of color. What is this? Like a lime yellow, bright yellow. And then the only problem with it is I did not have anything to go with the bright yellow. So I was like, let me put another color to kind of like throw it off. What do you guys think? Am I Delulu? Or cause like, I think this is kind of cute. And like, I don't know, I might even like wear the glasses. I wish I had like red freaking glasses, or maybe like this color glasses. I don't know guys, like I feel like it kind of goes. It's just like it doesn't go, so it goes. Does that make sense? You guys tell me what y'all think about this, because I don't know. I don't know. Sorry, I'm still bloated. I don't want to turn to the side, but what do you guys think? I don't know. I'm actually kind of here for it. Let me know, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's the next day, so I'm gonna show you guys kind of what I have already packed up. So I showed you guys the outfit. I just had like some extra stuff, pads. These are panties and pajamas. You open this and it is heels. Go up here. This is my duffel bag. I have my laptop, my vitamins, this is just like real personal stuff that I carry with me almost every day. My jewelry box is underneath here. Then I have my soap, lotion. Oh, I gotta get this lotion. This is my favorite lotion ever. If you want to like literally glow, I literally get compliments about how much I'm glowing. Okay, y'all, hold on, let me put y'all up. Okay, so my camera had died when I was talking to y'all earlier. I'm tired. So I do gotta go to the beauty supply store later to get me 2 clear lip glosses and maybe some charms for my bag. But other than that, I don't think I have much else to do. I am using Ghost Bond for my you know how like your clothes be sliding down and stuff, so I'm using Ghost Bond to like make sure my dresses stay up and don't slide down. And this bag, I'm showing y'all now because I was kind of in a rush this morning. I had to do other stuff, so I'm just showing y'all what I packed in here. You already know I have my makeup, and then I have my chargers, glasses, everything in here. Everything from my camera in here too. My lint roller, my hair tools. I have my laptop, like I told y'all earlier, my jewelry bag and all that. So that's my duffel bag. All my clothes and my shoes, pajamas, panties, bras, and everything is in my suitcase. And we're pretty much done. I just wanted to bring my laptop because the work never stops. So when we're just like chilling at the Airbnb, I'm gonna be on my laptop doing a little work. So that's what I packed. I just wanted to make sure that I showed you guys what I packed. I didn't want to like, oh, and so toiletries, all that, that's already packed in the other bag. I know I did not show that, but y'all get the idea. Like, it's just the regular deodorant, all that. So toothpaste, well, I'm using his toothpaste. I'm not using my toothpaste. So yeah, I will see you guys when we make it to Panama.